Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today we will take a look at our Kinder Animals, okay? And I have received a bag from a Dan Safarian containing a lot of new Kinder Animals which I don't think we have in our collection. We might have, but let's have a look, okay? He also sent me a note. Gregory, I think it's a she. Dear Dan, so far you have the baby tapir and polar bear cub from Kinder Natoons. You should buy more Kinder Natoons since you don't have the elephant calf and baby sea turtle. From Gregory Lim. Thanks, Gregory. Let's have a look at what Gregory has sent us today, shall we? Alright, first one, we have a tapir. I think we have this tapir, I'm not exactly sure. We will find out later on. Let's place it right here on the table. I think this might be a meerkat. It's a really adorable meerkat. I'm gonna put it right here on the table. I'm gonna be doing a very beautiful looking thumbnail later. And let's open this mini egg and let's see what we have inside. It is a polar bear. So let's fix this polar bear together. How can we fix this? Let me figure this out. Okay, we're gonna pop in the body first. And now for the other part. Oops. Apologies for that. Let's try and pop this right in. There you go. I don't think we have this little polar bear. It looks so cute. I'm just gonna put it lying down. And here we have a bunny, a very adorable bunny. I think we have like two of them. And this is like a koala. There's no articulation on this. And here we have a baby duckling. A duckling that is so cute. This might be a quail. We already have this one, I think. Same goes with this polar bear, but I don't think I have this polar bear. It's really adorable. And a squirrel holding on to a nut. It's a really nice one. The same meerkat here. Oops. Alright, now we're gonna look at our huge box right here, okay? And I'm gonna be laying them right here on the table. Let's go. Here we have a panda. A nice little panda. Let's place it on the table. And we have it might be a macaw. This is a huge toucan. A very beautiful toucan. I'm gonna put it right over here. We have an elephant. You can actually move the trunk. Nice one. Elephant are the largest land animal. And this might be a crocodile. Comes with a little bottom. Crocodiles have a more triangular snout if you compare it with the alligator. And here we have a flamingo. I think we do have quite a number of flamingos in our collection. This is known as the orca, also known as the killer whale. It has a very long and tall dorsal fin. I'm gonna place it right here. The tallest land animal, a giraffe with a movable neck. That is so cool. That is so cool. And this, it's a moose, a reindeer, I beg your pardon. Very beautiful antlers. I like it. And this should be a pink dolphin. Let me just put the stand back. Oops. Came up, so let's pop it right back. Okay. And the stand onto his body. It's very adorable. This might be a gazelle. I'm not exactly sure, but I think so. We have our salamander. Salamander. It's like a lizard. What about this one? A tortoise. I don't think it's a turtle. Should be a tortoise. And a leopard. Probably a leopard with a moving tail. That's so cute. Okay. And this one, it's a big one of the mega sized figures. We have a kangaroo and a joey in his pouch. The baby kangaroo is known as joey. We have a goat. That's a cute one. We have a seal. A very adorable looking seal. We have a Komodo dragon. This is a beautiful one. This is one of my favorite figures in the entire Kinder collection. Oops. I dropped one figure here. This is a lion. You can actually move the head and the left leg. Lion is one of our big cats. And we have a cockatoo. You can actually spread open the feathers on top. It's really, really cute. Cockatoo. We have a squirrel. Seems to be holding on to, might be like some corn. A very nice wolf with a movable head. I'm gonna try and place them as neatly as possible. And this, it's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are actually, they can be quite aggressive. We have a mountain lion. Nice. And a humpback whale. Wow, this one is really cool. You can push it up and down. We have a skunk. They can actually spray a liquid that is very, very smelly. And here we have a black panther. Nice. It's like a black jaguar. Another goat. We have a big one. This is a gorilla. Might be a silverback gorilla. And I think we have a deer right here. This is a cute one. Might be a lioness. We have a chameleon. A sheep. Very beautiful sheep. The wool can be used to make a lot of different items. We have a tiger. Are you able to move it? Not exactly. Tiger. Nice. And a hammerhead shark. That's a nice one, and it could be a scallop hammerhead shark. A fish. Not exactly sure what type of fish it is. We have a little monkey, and I think the tree is actually missing. We've got a mini orca, a mini killer whale. They are very, very intelligent, and they are known for hunting in groups. An elephant with a movable head. Another goat. There's so many goats. This should be a buffalo. Wow, this is a beaver. Nice beaver. Not exactly sure what kind of bird this is. We have a very adorable penguin. seems to be missing the base as well. Another cockatoo, able to move the wings. That's cool. We have a camel. Nice camel. A bunny. Yes, we already have this bunny. A cute little one. We actually have so many of the bunny right now. Could this be a Moorish idol? This is a brown hare. It can actually move its tail and the head will move. That is nice. We've got a squirrel monkey. A lion cub, a baby lion. That is so cute. This is an armadillo. Another one of the meerkats. A red panda holding on to some bamboo. A tapir. You can move the head up and down. That's nice. And a crocodile. It seems to be a very small size crocodile. It could be a caiman. And got a very nice bear. It seems to be like dancing. A kangaroo that you can move up and down. There are plenty of kangaroos in Australia. We have another camel. Camel's horn is used to store its food and water, so they can actually go without food for many days, as well as water. We have a white horse, a rhinoceros. It's really cute. Another chameleon. I think I'm supposed to like put this onto it. We've got a nice fox. It can move its tail. It's a beautiful figure. A lion. Oops. The front part came off. So let's place it right back. Another koala. We have so many of these koalas. Oh, so this is the base of the penguin. We have to put it back for sure. There you go. Very nice. We've got the same squirrel again, holding on to the maze. We have a penguin chick, a baby penguin. Another koala. It's a nice one. A hippopotamus with the mouth wide open. It can be found in Africa. I thought I've placed the colors wrongly, but it seems like they are the same. We've got two hippopotamus. We have a sloth. Sloths are very slow moving animals. We've got a frog, a green frog, which is an amphibian. We have a woodpecker. That's a really nice one. You can move this. The head will move. It's a beautiful one. We have a sea turtle. Shark. likely a scallop hammerhead shark. I'm not sure. I'm making a guess. Reindeer. I think we have like a quail, a bird. I'm not too sure. It might be a baby ostrich. Another duckling. This one seems to be a marine iguana. We have a donkey. I like this figure. He can move the front part of his body really easily. We've got our baby tapir. A tiny little monkey. Another caiman, small little crocodile. Caiman is just the name. I think it might be a white hare. We've got a small little cockatoo. Another dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent animals. Wow, I love this. A bald eagle catching a fish. That's a majestic one. This is known as a tamarine monkey. It's cute. Another bear. And this one can actually move its upper body. An elegant black horse. Just now we have the same horse but in a different color. Another tapir. I'm not exactly sure what this is. No idea. A fawn, a baby deer. That is so precious. A small little cockatoo again. We've got the dolphin out, so we're gonna fix it back. We have our seahorse. Our first seahorse of the day. I'm gonna try and squeeze a space in for my seahorse. Another hippopotamus, but this time it's a hippopotamus calf. A baby hippopotamus. That is so cute. Super adorable. We got an elephant. It's not a baby elephant because you can see the tails are very long. Turtle. Nice. Or is it a tortoise? It could be a tortoise. Another parrot. Let's just call them a parrot. Another squirrel. Squirrels are got to be one of the most common animals around my house. I always see them. And here's another monkey. Another hippopotamus. That's so cute. That's a baby hippopotamus. I think this might be a bobcat. Another, salamander. Now last figure, I think this might be a sloth. Not exactly sure, but yes, this is it. Thanks for watching this, guys, and I will see you in the next video, okay? So this is basically my Kinder Animals collection. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.